Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This video focuses on how to apply sunscreen to kids who dislike the feel of it. So my general advice is to try and change the applicator. Your child might respond well to sunblock wipes. Although they're a little more expensive, this is definitely worth reducing the struggle. They might respond to a sunblock stick or even a sunblock type of spray. So the idea here is to change the applicator or change the texture. You might do well using some natural sunblock oils, though please consult your pediatrician to ensure their safety. They will be listed at the end of this quick clip. Another way to help desensitize a child to lotion is to provide some firm but gentle massage. Sometimes applying firm and gentle massage before the application of a lotion, a spray, a stick, or even a wipe can be immensely helpful. Remember, if all else fails, try your alternatives with hats and shirts. Thank you.